In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix laptop not charging to 100%. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this can be really frustrating when you're trying to charge your laptop and it's stuck at 0%. It can be for a variety of different reasons. Firstly, make sure you're not using any third-party charger to try and charge your laptop, because while the port might actually fit into your laptop, it might not be supplying enough power for your laptop to run while it's on. So what you want to go ahead and try and do is turn your laptop off completely, try and let it charge that way, because the charger might just not be powerful. Another thing is trying your laptop charger in another port in the wall and then seeing if that works, because the wall socket that you might be trying might not be supplying enough power either. Now, another thing you can do is on your laptop, you're going to see your power button. So go ahead and long press on the power button. So don't go over here and, try and restart it or shut it down this way. Do a force shutdown. So force the shutdown by pressing the power button, long pressing it. It's going to fully shut down. The screen's going to turn black and everything. And then try and charge it like that, and then once you turn your laptop on again, it should be charging as normal. But if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.